Brazil, Salvador, Bahia. The beautiness of Dubrovnik is very, very beautiful and a very charming city. And I was impressed how beautiful is Dubrovnik and Croatia. First time here in Konavle. I'm start to work about 1 month ago, and I have been in Dubrovnik, but my first time in Croatia and in Konavle. It's very good, very interesting to see the traditions and the products. Very good cheese and ham, very, very good, and the dance and how they live. It's a beautiful family and a beautiful history. Very good, very interesting. Croatia is a lovely country. I'm enjoying and it's good to see. On this property, for sure the food. It's amazing, the cheese and the ham, and it's very, very, very good. It's carefully prepared and etc. It's very good. Yes, for sure, and with my free time I will come back here for sure. And total my friends and etc. It's a lovely country.